Allison, can you explain what internet is?
Yes, I love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to start something new. We had a few issues with our last project, the home styler, so don't worry about that for now. We'll just move on to this one. So who knows me best survey. So you're going to be creating a survey to figure out who knows you the best in this particular class or other classes. So first off, you're going to use a program called SurveyMonkey, and you're going to be using this program called IMGUR, and it's going to be a place for photos. So you're going to be creating a survey. We've done surveys before using Google Forms. This time we're going to create a survey using SurveyMonkey. So first things first, you're going to go to surveymonkey.com and you're going to create an account. So don't have an account, you're going to click sign up and you fill this information out. I already have my account that I made, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, and once you log in, you're going to want to press create survey in the top right. So you're going to build a new survey from scratch. You're going to title your survey who knows me best. Who knows me the best. Okay, select a category. You can just do education. Let's go. All right, and before we start, let's go take a look at Google Classroom again. So you need 21 total questions about yourself, family, hobbies, sports, likes, dislikes, movies, music, religion, etc. So you can create questions about yourself in any of those categories or something else as long as it's school appropriate. Number 2, use at least 3 different types of questions on SurveyMonkey. So for example, multiple choice, a drop down, and a ranking. We'll do one example of each. And you need to use pictures and or video on all the questions. You also need to change the theme, and then you're going to end up sharing your survey with 5 other classmates. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, we can go ahead and click add new question. And right here in this drop down, you can do, like I said on the Google Classroom, drop down, ranking, or multiple choice. So we're going to start with the multiple choice. So for example, who is my favorite basketball team? Question mark. All right, and I'm going to put some choices here. Now, remember in Google Classroom, I said use pictures or video on all questions. So for this question, I'm going to use pictures. So for example, Lakers. So how do we get a picture in here? Well, it says insert edit image. If I click on that, I need to find a source for my picture. So how do I find a source? Well, first you need to open up a new tab, a new Google tab, and just search Google Images. So go to Images, and let's say I search Lakers. Okay, so let's download this photo. Save image as. Go ahead and save it to your desktop. Save it. And we also need some incorrect answers, so let's just say I did the Bulls. Let's save this one. Save image as. Save it to your desktop on your computer. And then let's say I did the Warriors. Okay, and let's use this picture, save image as, and go ahead and save that to your desktop. Okay, now in order to bring this picture in, I need to have it hosted on a website somewhere because it needs to be like a JPEG or a PNG type of file. So if you just try to copy and paste this picture right here, you know, Control C and copy it, or if you just did copy image address, that's not going to work. So here's what you need to do. You need to go to the website listed here on Google Classroom, IMGUR, and open that up. And you're going to sign up and create an account. So go ahead and fill that information out like we normally do and sign up. Then once you sign up, you're going to click on Upload Images and browse your computer. So I'm going to click on Lakers, Bulls, and then Warriors, the 3 that I downloaded, and click Open. And so you're just going to select these 3 over here and click Start Upload. Okay, and once all the pictures upload, you're going to want to click on your account in the top right, make sure you're logged in, and then click on images. So all your images that you've uploaded show up here. And now what you're going to need to do is get that link I was talking about to use on your SurveyMonkey. So let's say I was using the Warriors for the first one. Click on that one on the lower left. And then as far as the view image info, if you click on this button where it says view image info, you want to click generate image links and then click done. So one more time, you click on the lower left of the photo so it's checked, and then you click generate image links and you click done. And now you can go right here and get the proper link that you need. So the one that you need needs to have the PNG at the end. So if you click this drop down arrow and just click direct link, email and IM, it'll be a PNG right here, code that you need to embed into the website of SurveyMonkey. So you can copy this or just highlight it and press Control C. Go back to your SurveyMonkey. So now for my first choice, I'll have a picture here. So now we can click the Insert and Edit Image. Click in the box and hold down Control and press V as in Victor. And then click OK. And now if we save this and we go to Preview and Test, now one of the options is Golden State Warriors with the picture. So now let's do the other ones. Again, you come to your picture, click on the lower left, or click on the picture and click Generate Image Links. Click Done. Drop down, Direct Link, Email and IM. Copy it, Control C. Make sure we're editing this. Go to the next choice. Click the image. Press Control V. Click OK. Now if we save it, now we have both pictures in there. So we notice that this picture is a little bit big. If you go to the preview, you notice that picture is pretty big there. So to fix that, so that's a pretty high dimension. So let's just go ahead and paste it again, and instead of doing those dimensions of 1365 by 1024, let's just try, I don't know, 300 by 300. And click Save. That's much better. So let's go back and fix that actually. So now we go Edit. Let's get rid of both of these. Delete, delete. Insert our image. This is the Chicago Bulls one. Control V, paste it. Let's just do 300 by 300. Click OK. Save. And now that's much smaller. We can actually even go a little bit smaller, but you guys get the idea. So you need to have pictures for all your images. This will be the first multiple choice question. So let's say that question's done. You can click Add Next Question. And now it'll come up here, question 2, Q2. And now you can do drop down or ranking. So for Google Classroom, you need to have multiple choice, drop down, and ranking. You're going to be doing 21 questions, so you can do a mixture of those as long as you have at least one of those questions each in your survey. Now, how do you do a video? Well, let's say, who or what is my favorite funny video? Remember, it always must be school appropriate. Make sure everything you're doing on this survey is school appropriate. So now how do we do a video? Well, this one's a lot easier, so you just go to YouTube. So go to YouTube, and I really like Dude Perfect. They have some funny videos. So let's go to Dude Perfect, and let's say I want to do golf trick shots. Dude Perfect.
Let's get started.
So what I want to do to embed this into the SurveyMonkey website, you just click share and you click right here where it says embed, and then you copy this link, Control C, go to your survey, click in the box and click video right here, insert edit video, click embed, paste the embed code into the box there and click OK, and then click save, and then your video is there. So now if you preview and test, when they go to take your survey, there's your first question, who's my favorite basketball team, and then of course your video, and then they'll be able to watch the video right there. Okay, so I just did this pretty quickly, and I just gave you a few quick examples for multiple choice. You would need to have at least 4 options for your multiple choice, and you need to have multiple options for your drop down question, and also ranking. So for a ranking question, you could say something like, what is my favorite color all the way to my least favorite color? Rank them 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1 being my favorite or something like that. So again, make sure you have all the requirements in your project, make sure you have different types of questions, and you really focus on using different pictures and video for all your questions. Change the theme. To do that, it's pretty simple. You just go down to the left side over here and click themes, and you can change into different themes over here. And don't worry about the sharing part to 5 classmates. I'll make another video about how to share it and turn it in. Otherwise, go ahead and get to work. Let me know if you have any questions.